Oh, hello, you guys. Guess who's back? Yes, it's me, your girl Molly. You probably thought that I was not going to make another vlog today. You are so wrong. There was no sun today, really. It's been raining heavily for 4 days. No, I'm just kidding. You know what? Yeah, I could cry and scream and yell right now because the summers in Norway, they are not good. I can't remember. I don't remember when we had a really good and hot normal summer here in my country. I just don't remember. Do you? The perfect summer I remember was in 1997. 1997, that was the perfect summer in Norway, where we had a lot of fun, and we went to the beach. We went to the beach every single day, and I even got a tan. That was 1997. When there's light through your window, there's hope. There's hope, you know? There's hope for a great day. The problem is that it's not a day anymore, you know? It's night, it's evening, it's, you know. You see, I'm not a quitter, you know. Read. You can read. Make a vlog every day and force yourself. It's fun. It's fun. We'll walk together. We'll walk together to the ocean. And we'll look at the scenery. Just another sunny day in my hometown in Norway. Just another sunny day. Sunny day. Isn't this just wonderful? Sunny? Isn't this just wonderful on a sunny day? Don't you think? The city of rain. This is the place where I filmed the jumping around video. I will link the video in the box below. This is Alcatraz. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, you know. It wasn't funny, huh? It wasn't funny. I'm not funny. I'm not funny. I'm not funny. I'm not funny. Are you funny? Do you create videos? I'm still not angry, you guys. This is just who I am. Hate it or love it. And we'll meet again next time in my next vlog. Tomorrow. Because we're gonna do this every day from now on. Bye.